Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by installing Google Sheets and signing in right away. Do that now. Once installed, open the app and use your Google account. This connects your mobile files to Drive. Make sure to grant storage and account permissions so the app can save and sync automatically. Also enable offline access in settings. This ensures you can edit without Wi-Fi. From here, tap the plus button to create a new sheet or open an existing file stored in Drive. Let's move to building the sheet. Now build the sheet with focused actions. Start with a template for budgets or inventory, or choose blank for full control. Tap a cell to type and use the formula bar to add SUM, average, or if. These calculate automatically. Once done, format columns. Tap headers to change width, freeze top rows for labels, and apply filters to sort. Use long presses to copy and paste ranges. Make sure to save edits. The app usually syncs, but watch the sync indicator at the top. Complete the workflow by sharing and exporting your sheet. Tap Share to invite collaborators. Pick Viewer, Commenter, or Editor. This controls changes. To deliver a static copy, export to Excel, PDF, or CSV and choose page orientation and scaling. Once everything is set, verify that the green sync check appears. If syncing fails, try toggling the network, force sync in Google Drive, or clear the app cache and device settings. If problems persist, sign out and back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.